Hey you guys, today I'm gonna make the video on how to bypass the safety switches on a riding mower. This is my Murray riding mower. As you can see, I've taken the top off of it to make it easier to work with. Not that we need it for bypassing the switches, but this is a project, a riding mower of mine, so I'm going to be using it just for pulling stuff, and it has no deck, so I don't need any of those safety switches. Anyway, first, this one does, battery's pretty weak on it, so I'm going to put a jumper on it and going to find out which wire is the trigger wire from the key. So I've already taken out the key switch out of here. The way that was done was connected through. It was connected through here. Just unscrew this. Take out the switch. Okay, let's find out which one is power. Should be constant 12 volts going into this key switch. Man, hold this thing. Okay, the way to do that is, it's usually red, but it could be any color. I'm gonna put my probe into red, and the other one, I've already grounded it out on the engine block. So that one is good. So turn on, get any meter. So right now, oh, the probe fell off. When I probe it, I should get 12 volts show up on the meter. I have my switch on. My battery pack was not on, so try again. Okay, I have 12.65. So we know that's power. So usually the orange one is the trigger to start the engine. So let's put a probe into the orange one and then turn the key. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, that's also 12 volts showing up on there. So the orange one is the trigger. Alright, so orange one is the trigger. Okay, the orange one is the trigger, so I'm gonna cut the orange one and run it straight through to the solenoid. Okay. I'm sure you guys know how to cut wires and splice them. So, okay, that's the orange one. So the solenoid's inside here, right there. But I have another one just to show you where it goes. You can place it any one of any one of those. One is grounded back to the body of the mower, and you can place it here. So I've already cut some wires here. I've already cut a wire. Sorry, the phone fell. Already cut the wire here, and this is what we're gonna put into the probe of we're gonna put this under the screw and screw it in nice and tight. And the other side of this is going to go to the trigger of this key switch. Okay, give me a second while I do that. It's gonna take more than a second, but make sure it's nice and snug on there, or else you have connection issues. And you know, okay, that's on there. So I'll take the other side. Like I said, I'll take the other side and attach it. Here's the other side. Attach it to the key switch orange. Some tape. I'll do a better job taping it later on, but for now, for demonstration purposes, I'll tape it like that. Okay, it's got 12 volts on the battery, so let's see if this thing cranks. Okay, it cranks. So basically that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave any comments below. Thank you.